In this video, we will learn how to sort data in Google Sheet. So let's start. Open your Google Sheet, and here I select here one cell of this data heading, and here you can see the filter icon. Just click on to create filter and you can easily sort data. Just click on this filter icon. Sort to A to Z, sort to Z to A, and sort by color also available. Okay, so this is a way you can sort here. The second way, I just use here the Control Z, and I show you the second way you can sort this data. First, select your full data, then go to the data tab. Here the two options available for sort sheet and sort range. Sort sheet means full sheet will sort. Okay, it's consider also heading, so heading also sort. When I show you here, just click on this sort sheet option, then sort sheet by column A to Z. You can see it's consider also heading here. Okay, so I use here Control Z and select here the data only, not heading, and click on the data tab, then click on the sort range. Okay, the selected range will sort A to Z. Okay, so you can see here the A to Z data is sort same as Z to A. You can see the changes on it. And when I click on the sort sheet A to Z, you can see here same as heading also consider for sorting, because it's called sort sheet. Okay, it means consider full sheet, not range. Okay, so here you can use the second option to sort range, and if you have a data in full sheet without heading or the normal data, so you can use for the full sheet sorting, you can use the first option. Okay, so this is a way you can sort data in Google Sheet. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.